Hello students, in the chapter coordinate geometry, let's solve exercise 7.2 in this video. First problem, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so a line is joining these two coordinates. Okay, let us name it as A and B, and this line is divided in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, so we have to find the point C, which is in the which divides a line in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, so in order to find this, we have a formula. Okay, for only x coordinate this formula, and y coordinate you have a similar formula for this. Here m and n are the ratio, mn. So m is to n is the ratio, and x2 x1 you know, right? So this 4 is x2 and -1 is x1. Okay, so those values we have to substitute in the formula. So 2 is m, 3 is n. Okay, so 2 into x2, no, x2 is 4. Then -1 is x1 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Okay, so after simplifying you will get 8 minus 3 divided by 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So x coordinate alone is found now. So similarly you have to find out the y coordinate of C. Okay, in the place of x2 and x1 you will write it as y2 and y1. That's the only difference. Okay, so now also substitute the values. So after substituting you will get 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 divided by 2 plus 3. Okay, so 2 into -3 is -6. Then 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, divided by 5. So you will get 15 by 5, that is equal to 3. Okay, so 1, 3, it's the coordinates of C. Okay, coordinates of C is 1, 3. Then next problem, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Okay, trisection means 3. In 3 section, the line is divided. Okay, so you can say these coordinates, the given coordinates are A and B, and in between these two point, you have 2 more points, so that the line is divided into 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3 sections. Okay, so if it is first section, so this point will be in the ratio of 1:2. Out of 3 part, this is 1 part and this remaining part is 2. That's why 1:2 ratio. Here this full line is 3 parts. So this side is 2 and this side it is 1. That's why this point is in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, now we found the ratio also. We know the A and B coordinates also. We have to find out the coordinates of P and Q by the formula. That's it. So you have to write it. So P and Q are the points of the trisection of the line segment joining the given points. So AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Okay, then therefore P divides AB internally in the ratio of 1:2. So coordinates of actually this is P. Okay, it's a typing mistake. A coordinate of P. Okay, so you have to put the formula, then substitute it. Substitute in the formula. So m and n are the ratio, correct? At P the ratio is 1:2. So m is 1, n is 2. Okay, so substitute 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. So after simplifying you will get -2 plus 8 divided by 3. Okay, so you will get 6 by 3 equal to 2. So x coordinate alone we got now. So find for the y coordinate. So write the formula, then substitute it in the formula. Okay, so you will get 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 divided by 1 plus 2. So here 1 into -3 is -3. 2 into -1 is -2. So you will get -3 -2. Both are in minus. Okay, so what you should do? You should write the minus sign and add the numbers. Okay, number should be added and you should put the minus sign. Both are in minus means that's what you should do. Okay, so minus 5 by 3. Okay, that's a y coordinate of P. Okay, the coordinate of P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Then we have to find out for Q. Same way in the formula you have to substitute for the x coordinate. Okay, so you'll get 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Why 2 plus 1 came, you know, right? Because now the ratio is 2:1 ratio in the Q. Okay, that's why you are writing 2 plus 1. Okay, so you will get minus 4 plus 4 divided by 3. Minus 4 plus 4 will become 0. Anything divided by 0, 0 divided by any number is 0 only. Okay, so y coordinate you have to find out. So 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So minus 6 minus 7. Minus 6 minus 7, what you should do? You should put the minus sign and you should add the number. Number should be added and you should put the minus sign. So minus 7 by 3. You will get the y coordinate. So Q coordinate is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Okay. So both the coordinates we found out. Now next problem. To conduct sports day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground A, B, C, D, lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 10 flower pots have been placed at the distance of 1 meter from each other along AD, as shown in the following figure. Okay, Niharika runs 1/4 the distance of AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Okay, so here you can see the numbering and all, and the flower pot is here and one girl is running. So 1/4 of the distance she is placing a green flag. Then Preet runs 1/5 distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Okay, so 1/4 of the distance is covered by Niharika and 1/5 distance is covered by Preet. Okay, so both are placing a flag. Okay, and one more girl have to place a flag in between these two lines. Okay, these two children have placed the flag. No, she have to place it exactly in the midpoint of the line which is joining both the flags. Okay, so let's solve. From the figure, taking A as 0, 0, x-axis along AB and y-axis along AD, we will obtain the coordinates of green flag and red flag. Okay, so from the figure only we are taking. So each unit is taken as 1 meter. They gave how much the ground is of in the meters, and flower pot in 1 meter distance they gave. So by that only. So green flag is at 1/4 the total distance. Okay, so 1/4 in total distance is 100 meters. So you have to 1/4 into 100 we are writing. That is equal to 25 meter in the second line. Okay, so what's the meaning? The coordinate of green flag is 2, 25. Okay, understood? Because that girl was running, Niharika was running in the second line, that is from the origin, that is 0, 0. She is 2 meters away. That's why you got 2 here. Okay. Then she covered AD, that distance is there, no? That is 1/4 of the total distance. That's why we got 25. That 25 is the y coordinate. Okay. Similarly, for red flag, it is 8 and 20. Why? Because the boy was running in the 8th line. Okay, so from the origin he was in the 8th line, so x coordinate is 8. Okay, he covered 1 by 5 of the total length, 1 by 5 into 100. Okay, so so it is 20. Similarly, how you did for here, 1 by 4 into 100 you did, no, same way 1 by 5 into 100 if you do, you will get 20. Okay, so y coordinate is 20. This is how we have to find the coordinate of those 2 points. Now we have to find out the distance between these two, and one more girl will post a flag in the midpoint of that line. Okay, so that means midpoint means in the ratio of 1:1, then it will be. Okay, she is going to divide the line into 2 equal halves, so the ratio will be 1:1. Okay, so the distance of 2 flags we are going to find out with the help of distance formula. Okay, in the first chapter we did know, first exercise, okay, we did know that formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That formula we used, and we found out that the distance between the 2 points is root 61 meter. Okay, now we have to find out the midpoint. Okay, blue flag is posted at the midpoint of the distance between the 2 flags. Okay, so if it is in the ratio of 1:1, either you can use the formula which we used in the previous problem. No problem, you can use that formula, but one more formula, midpoint formula is there. That is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y2 plus y1 divided by 2. That's the formula for midpoint. Here it's not given. So that's one more formula you have. Either you can use the regular formula for the section formula, or you can use the midpoint formula to find it out. Okay, so substitute the value. So 2 plus 8 is 10 by 2. Okay, 10 by 2 is 5. Then 25 plus 20, that is 45 by 2. So you will get 22.5. Okay, this is the new place where the one more girl, that Rashmi, that girl will place the blue flag. Okay, so this is the coordinates. So what it means, that she will place on the 5th line at the distance of 22.5 meter. So 5th line, she should run in the 5th line, and after reaching 22.5 meter, she should place the flag. That's the meaning. Okay, because x-axis, x coordinate is 5, so she should run on the 5th line. Okay, then y coordinate is 22.5. That means she should cover forward the distance of 22.5 meter. Okay, so I'll continue the next problem in my next video. Thank you, children.